Okay, class, I'm going to go ahead and do exercise 1 in chapter 7. I'm going to start the front plane here. And I'm going to start here. And somewhere there. I'm going to just trim this real quick. All right, here we go. I'm going to make sure that origin, oops, is tied to that midpoint there. And get over there. I'm going to make sure that these are equal. Collinear. Huh. Didn't like that for whatever reason. Still doesn't like it. Let's just destroy this equal. And then make these two collinear. That could be the issue. Yep. And next, what I'm going to do, that could be the issue too. Got these perpendicular constraints there. All right, now make those equal. All right, so everything is pretty much constrained. Now it's about creating the dimensions. 8 inches. It looks like these are 1 inch. This is 1 3/4 from here to here. Uh, 2.5 inches from here to this point here. All right. Next, it's 1 inch from here to here. All right, so drop these down. Perfect. Oh, one more dimension, 3 inches from the bottom here. And it looks like it's taken from this point here. Again, I'm going to do a mid-plane extrusion. And the total length here is 3 inches. All right. Then what I'm going to do is at the bottom here, create a new sketch, Control 8. And because I built it around the origin, I don't have to dimension where that circle is. Now I just have to dimension the arc or the diameter. This thing is extruded, and it looks to me it's 2.5 from this surface here. So 1 3/4 minus 2.5, or 2.5 minus 1 3/4. Should be 3/4 of an inch. All right. Do another simple one here. Do an extrude cut. And this one, we'll assume that this hole goes all the way through, 1.5 inches. All right. And Control 7 so you can see it. Next, what I could do is I could make a chamfer, or I could just make a triangle and then with a little U cut it all out. So it's up to you, but here I'm just gonna do it all in one shot. All right, just to make it easier for me and for everyone, I think. And then here, it is, and just make these both horizontal. All right, and then I can make both these legs equal, right? So once I do that, the dimension between the 2 points is 2 inches. These 2 points here. All right. Then from here to here is 1 inch. And there it is. And that's because of right angle trigonometry. As long as I know what the legs are, I know what all the angles are. It makes it really easy. Here the radius is 1/2 inch. So it must be a 1 inch diameter. And from here to here, it has to be 1 inch. And there it is. Done. I'm going to extrude cut. Just make sure I select the contours. And we're ready to go. Ah, I didn't do through all. Great. Control 7. File, save as. C7x1. Swivel yoke. Oh, apparently I've already built it. That's fine. Evaluate mass properties and 1.61 pounds.